Welcome to Premath. Today we are going to see 3 digits of addition. Two, 4, 3 plus 3, 2, 1. Write it down as 2, 4, 3, 3, 2, 1. This is addition. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 2 plus 3, 5. The answer is 564. Second sum. 5, 6, 4 plus 6, 6, 6. Write it down. 5, 6, 4, 6, 6, 6. Addition. 4 plus 6, we get 10. So 0 will be down and 1 will be the next row. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 13. 3 will be down and 1 will be at the top of the next row. 5 plus 6, we get 11. 11 plus 1, 12. The answer is 1, 2, 3, 0. Third sum. 8, 8, 8 plus 5, 5, 5. What will be the answer? 8, 8, 8, 5, 5, 5. Addition. 8 plus 5 will be 13. Write 3 down and 1 will be at the top. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 1, 14 we get. 4 will be at the down and 1 will be at the top. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 1, 14. The answer is 1, 4, 4, 3. Fourth sum. 6, 8, 5 plus 7, 9, 8. Write 6, 8, 5, 7, 9, 8. 5 plus 8, 13. Write 3 here and 1 will be next row. 8 plus 9, 17. 17 plus 1, 18. 8, write it as down and 1 will be next row. 6 plus 7, 13. 13 plus 1, 14. The answer is 1, 4, 8, 3. Fifth sum. 7, 9, 7 plus 8, 6, 9. What will be the answer? 7, 9, 7, 8, 6, 9. 7 plus 9, we get 16. 6 will be here and 1 will be at the top. 9 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 1, 16. 6 will be here and 1 will be at the top. 7 plus 8, we get 15. 15 plus 1, 16. Answer is 1, 6, 6, 6.